Okay, from today onwards we will discuss the mains questions. Some 8 or 10 questions we will discuss daily regarding quant, reasoning and English. ప్రతిరోజు ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఒక 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ మెయిన్స్ రిలేటెడ్, మెయిన్స్ పీఓ, మెయిన్స్ క్లరికల్ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఒకరోజు క్వాంట్, ఒకరోజు రీజనింగ్, ఒకరోజు ఇంగ్లీష్, ఈ విధంగా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఈరోజు మనం క్వాంట్కి సంబంధించిన ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, మెయిన్స్ పీఓ లెవెల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. లెట్ us see question number 1. There are 3 series. You have to find the value of A, B, C, then establish the relation among A, B, C. So here this is nothing but the number series. One number series is given, A, B and C. We have to see that series and you have to identify what will come in place of A, what will come in place of B and what will come in place of C. Let us take A first. It is 42, 66, 96, A, 196 and 316. This is the given number series. ఇందులో A ఏంటనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. So here 42, 66 difference you can see 24, 66, 96 difference 30, 196 and 316 the difference is 120. So we have to find what will come in place of A. 24, 30, A, 196 and 120. So how the number series is going on? This is 120, this is 24. This you can take as 120 by 1. This you can take as 120 by 5. This one 120 by 4. So 120 by 5, 120 by 4. The next one should be 120 by 3. 120 by 3 is nothing but 40. So 96 plus 40. That will give 136. So A value is 136. Now in the similar manner you have to find B value. Let us take B value also. B value, let us see. That is 1716, 990, 504, B 60 and 6. So let us see this one. If you see the numbers, that is 1760, 990, 504, you should get some idea. It is near to the cubes. Near to the cubes in the sense it is 12 cube minus 12, 1728 minus 12, 1716. This is 10 cube minus 10. This is 8 cube minus 8. Now this one will be 6 cube minus 6, that is 210. So B value is 210. Now let us take the C value. We have to take C value. It is 350, C 130, 68, 30 and 10. You have to find C value. C value you have to find. Now let us see these numbers 30, 68, 130. This is also near to cube, that is 4 cube plus 4, 3 cube plus 3, 5 cube plus 5. This one will be 6 cube plus 6, that will give 216 plus 6, 222. So C value 222. Now you got 3 values. A value is 136, B value 210, C value 222. We have to establish the relation between A, B and C considering these 3 numbers. Now you can clearly say A is less than B, whereas B is less than C. So the answer is A less than B, B less than C. Option 2 is the correct answer. Let us see the next series. Similarly, there are 3 series here. We have to find the value of A, B, C, then establish the relation among A, B and C. Let us see the first one, 123, then 128, 135, 146, 159 and A. So observe the difference. Here the gap is very less. You have to take only addition plus 5 plus 7 plus 11. So you are missing 9. We are having 11. So it is a prime number plus 13 plus 17. So 159 plus 17. So A value is 176. Let us see the next one. 512, 392, B 264, 240 and 232. So here you see the difference. 512 and 392, the difference is 120. 264 and 240, difference we can see 24. 240, 232, that is the difference 8. So 120, 24 and 8. So how the number series is there? Now here 8 to 24 difference 16. 8 to 24 difference is 16. See, we can take like this. Is it 16, then 32. 32, 24 plus 32, 56. Then after that you can take 64. 56 plus 64, it is 120. We can take like this. So 8 and 24 difference 16. Next 16 double, we can take 32. It will be 56. Then it will be 56 means it will be 208. 208, not 208. 320. 320 and here next it should be, let us see, 16 difference. If we take 32 difference, it will be 56. Then if you take 112, so 264 plus 56, 320. 320 plus 12 is not equal to 392. So this is wrong. If we take 56 and 112, it is definitely wrong. This is definitely wrong. Now we have to identify the number series. Okay, let us see 24. 16 multiple, 16 multiple, 16, 24. So 24 plus 24, it is 48. 48. Then again, next 24 multiple 32. 48 plus 32, it is 80. Then again it will be 40. Let us try in this manner. 264 plus 48. 264 plus 48 will give 312. 312 plus 80 will give 392. So here instead of B we should get 312. What is B value? 312. 312 is the value of B. B value is 312. Now let us take value of C. Let us take C value. See, 12, 30, 56, 90, C and 182. We have to take the value of C. If you take 12, we can take in this manner 3 into 4, 5 into 6, 7 into 8, 9 into 10, then 11 into 10. 11 into 12, sorry. 11 into 12 is 132. So the value of C is 132. So A value 176, B value 312 and C value is 132. So the relation between A, B and C is nothing but C is less than A, whereas A is less than B. C less than A less than B. Option 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. So here also you are having 3 series, that is you have to find the value of A, B, C. First one 23, 24.5, 20, 33.5, A and 114.5. So you have to identify the A value. Here we can see plus 1.5. Here we can see minus 4.5, decreased number. Again here it is plus 13.5. So what is the thing you are going to observe? Here we can take in this manner 1.5 into 1, 1.5 into 3, 1.5 into 9, 1.5 into 9. That means, see, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, it is 27. This one should be 1.5 into 27. So, what is 1.5 into 27? 27 into 15. It will be 40.5. This time it will be minus 40.5. 33.5 minus 40.5 means, so the value of A is minus 7. Now, let us take the value of B, that is 72, 88, 56, 120, B and 248. Now, plus 16, minus 32, then again it is again plus 64. So, each time number doubling, 16 double 32, 32 double 64, now 64 double, it is 128, that will give B as minus 8. Now, let us take C value, 5803, 1451, 363, 91, 23 and C. See, if you observe the numbers, 36 is becoming 9. So, divided by 4, divided by 4. Now, 90 is becoming 20, again divided by 4. So, what we can do, we can assume like this, 58 is becoming 14 means divided by 4. Now, 5803 plus 1, that is 5804 divided by 4. 4 14s 56, then 4 5 4 1. So, what we can do is nothing but this will be plus 1 divided by 4, again plus 1 divided by 4, 1451 plus 1 1452 divided by 4, 4 3s 12, then 4 6, again 4 3. So, entire series is plus 1 divided by 4. Similarly, 23 plus 1 24, 24 divided by 4 is 6. So, C value 6. So, A value minus 7, B value minus 8 and C value 6. What is the relation? See, positive is greater. So, C is greater than A. Here clearly we can say C is greater than A, where A is greater than B. C greater than A greater than B, option 1. Now, let us take the DI. See, this is the DI that is given in the PO mains exam. In a shop, there is a Diwali sale going on. The shopkeeper gave different discounts on 5 different items. What are the discounts? If it is a saree, the shopkeeper is giving 10% discount, 15% discount is given on dress, 20% discount given on t-shirt, 25% discount given on jeans and 30% discount given on suit. Below is the XY chart which shows the percentage of discount on different items and cost price of brand A, B and C. So, here we are given with A, B and C. X coordinate represents the percentage of the discount that is given. See, this is X coordinate, this is the percentage of discount, 10% on saree, 15% discount on dress, 20% discount on t-shirt, 25% on jeans, 30% on suit and 35%. That item is not mentioned. Then Y coordinate, this is the Y coordinate, this is the respective cost price of each and every item. So, first of all, what we can do is, we can take one table and in this table we have to write down what is the discount given, what is the item, what is the cost price of each item. Okay. First, let us take item. Let us take item. Then discount percent. What is the discount percent? It is given. Then we are having 3 brands, brand A, brand B and brand C. First one is item, next one is the discount percentage, next one brand A, brand B and brand C. So first one we are having saree, the different items we are having. First one is saree. Next one we are having dress, it is given dress. Next one we are having t-shirt. Next one jeans followed by suit. So discount given for saree, discount is 10%, dress 15%, t-shirt 20%, again jeans 25%, suit it is 30%. Now we are having the cost price. How to take the cost price? See, for example, for saree, red color is A and this orange color is B, this is C. So here this is 1000, 1100, 1200. So this is 1200. Then this is B, exactly 2000. And this is C, exactly it is 1500. Now let us take dress. For dress, A cost price. So it is 500, 600, 700, 800. This is exactly 800. And this one is 1000. This one is 2000. For t-shirt, A it is exactly 500. A exactly 500. Then B exactly B for t-shirt. So A exactly 500. B is exactly 800. Then C is 1000. For jeans, A is 1600. Then next one brand B, it is 1200. Brand C 900. Then suit, brand A it is 1000. Brand B, that is the orange color, 1500. Brand C, that is 3000, exactly 3000. See, this is 3000. So this is the cost price and this is the discount given on each item. For saree 10%, dress 15%, t-shirt 20, jeans 25, suit 300. So here you have to take each single line. This is 1000, 1100, 1200, 13, 14, 15, then 16, 17, 18, like that you have to take. Now based on this table data, we need to answer the given questions. Let us move to the first question. Okay, let us see the first question. Here what is given. If the shopkeeper mark up brand A saree at 25% above the cost price, brand B at 20% above the cost price, brand C at 10% above the cost price, what is the profit or loss incurred by him by selling 2 sarees of brand A and 3 sarees of brand B to the profit or loss incurred by him by selling 5 sarees of brand C. Okay. Let us see brand A saree. Brand A saree, what is the price? 1200. What is the price? 1200. And we are marking up 25% above. So let us take brand A. For brand A, here cost price, mark price, then selling price. Then you can decide either profit or loss. Okay. For brand A saree 1200, cost price 1200, and we are marking up 25% above. So 1200 into 5 by 4, 1200 into 5 by 4, that will give 1500. That is the mark price. Selling price, we are selling for 10% discount. We are selling for 10% discount. What is 1500? 10%, 150. So we are selling for 1350. We are selling for 1350. So how much is the profit or loss? 1200 is the cost price, 1350 is the selling price. Profit we are getting 150. Then this is about A. Now brand B saree. Now let us take brand B, same item saree. So what is the price? Cost price 2000. We are marking 20% above. So 2000 into 6 by 5, that will give 2400. Discount we are giving 10% discount. Again in 2400, 10% is 240. If you are giving 240 discount, we should sell for 2400 minus 240, that will give 2160 as the selling price. 2000 is the cost price, 2160 selling price, profit is 160. We are getting the profit 160. Now for brand C, what is the cost price? Saree only. So C saree cost price 1500, cost price 1500, and we are marking 10% above. So in 1500 if you take 10%, 150 rupees above, so that will give 1650, and we are giving a discount of 10%. If you are giving a discount of 10% in 1650, 10% is 165. Discount means minus. We will sell for 1485. So here cost price 1500, selling price 1485. We are getting a loss. How much loss we are getting here? It is 15 rupees loss. 15 rupees loss. That's why I am keeping minus 15. Now what is the question? What is the ratio of the profit or loss incurred by him by selling 2 sarees of brand A? So on selling 1 saree 150, if we sell 2 sarees it will be 300. Then 3 sarees of brand B, 160 into 3, 480. 1 saree profit 160, 3 sarees profit 480. So 780 is the total profit. To the profit or loss incurred by selling 3 sarees of brand C. So brand C, 3 sarees, how much we are going to get the loss? By selling 3 sarees, how much we are going to get the loss? That one we have to see. By selling 3 sarees. So 5 sarees of brand C. 1 saree loss is 15 rupees. 5 sarees loss means 5 into 15, 75. You have to find the ratio between 780 is to 75. Let us do with 5. So let us do with 5. How many times it will go? Or we can do with 15. 15 fives. This one 15 fives, 15 twos. So the answer is 52 is to 5. Option is 2. 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Let us see the next question. While selling a t-shirt of brand A, B and C, while selling a t-shirt of brand A, B, C at 576, 1152 and 1088, he gives 20%, 25% and 15% extra discount respectively. Then what is the difference between the average mark price of each of ABC t-shirt and overall profit or loss by selling each t-shirt of A, B and C? Now, while selling a t-shirt for 576, that means this is the selling price. We are seeing t-shirt. While selling the t-shirt for 576, what is the discount given? 20. That means 80%. 80% means 4 by 5. 4 parts equal to 576. 5 parts equal to how much? If 4 parts equal to 576 and 5 parts is how much, and we are also giving extra discount of 15%. We can take like this. So first of all, brand A. What is the selling price? 576. Initially discount is 20%. So you have to find mark price. So this is equal to 80%. We have to take 100 by 80. Where 80 is the selling price, that is equal to 576. 100 is the mark price. Then also we are giving additional discount of 15%. So also we are giving additional 15% discount, that is clearly given. Sorry, 20% for A, 20%, for B 25, for C 15. So while selling A, we are giving additional discount of 20%. Again, what we have to do, into 100 by 80. This will give the mark price of A. Now see, 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel. This is 8 into 8, 64. This will be 9 times. So that will give 900. This is the mark price of A. Similarly, let us take B. B we are selling for 1152. We are selling for 1152. Discount same, 20% discount. So 100 by 80. Additional discount we are giving 25%. So it will be 5 by 4. We have to take mark price, not 4 by 5, 5 by 4. Now let us do the calculation. So we are giving a discount of 25%. Actually 25% discount means 3 by 4, where 4 is the mark price, 3 is the selling price. Since you have to calculate mark price into 4 by 3. Now do the calculation. See, 24s, 25s, 4 and 4 will get cancelled with 3. 3 3s 9, then 3 8s, 3 4s. 384 into 5. 5 4s 20, 42, 19, 20. This is the mark price of B. Now we have to take mark price of C. Similar, it is 1088 into 100 by 80. This time we are giving 15% extra discount. So 85 by 100. 85 by 100 is nothing but 17 by 20. We have to take 20 by 17. Now 21s, 24s, 4 ones, 4 25s, 17 6, 102, 17 4. 64 into 25. 25 4s 100. It is 1600. So total mark price, we got now total mark price. What is the total mark price? 900, 1920 and 1600. So 0, 2, 24, 4. It is 4420. We want average. So 4420 divided by 3. See, 3 14s 42, then 3 7s 21, then 3. So 1473.3. This is the average mark price. Now we have to take overall profit or loss. How much profit or loss we are getting? How much profit or loss? Whenever we are using the word profit or loss, we have to find the difference between the cost price and the selling price. Here for A t-shirt, 500 is the cost price, 576 is the selling price. So profit is 76. Then for B, t-shirt, cost price 800, we are selling for 1152. So profit is 352. Then for C, t-shirt, the cost price is 1000 and selling price is 1088. Cost price 1000, selling price 1088. We are getting 88 rupees as the profit. So 16, 8 plus 1 9, 14, 21, then 3 plus 2 5. It is 516. Again we have to take the average. It is 172. So average mark price 1473, average profit or loss 172. You have to find the difference. That is the final one we should do. 1473.2 minus 172. So that will give the answer 1301.2. 1301.2 or 0.3, like that we will get. Sorry, 1301.3 only will come. So 1301.3 means option is 4. 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. The shopkeeper marked up jeans of brand A and B 50% and 40% above the cost price, and B and C at 60% and 80% above its cost price. If Suman purchased 3 jeans of brand A, 2 jeans of brand B, 3 suits of brand B and 4 suits of brand C from shopkeeper, and marked jeans at 20% and suit at 25% above its cost price, while selling she gave 15% discount on each item, then what is the profit percent earned by the Suman if she sells all the items she purchased from the shop? Okay. Now let us see this one. The shopkeeper marked up jeans brand A, brand B at 50% and 45%. So we are talking about jeans. First, we have to take mark price of A. We are talking about jeans. So you have to see jeans only. A jeans. What is the cost price? 1600. And we are marking 50% above. So 1600 into 3 by 2. That will give 2400. This is the mark price of A. Now, mark price of B. So cost price of jeans, we have to see jeans only. Jeans B 1200. Jeans B is 1200 into 45% above 145 by 100. That will give 12 5 60 48. So see 140 1200 into 145. 145 into 12. 12 5 60 48 1740. 1740. Now this is about jeans. Next, suit of brand B and C. Now we have to take suit of brand B. So mark price of brand B. So suit of brand B, what is the cost price? 1500. 1500. We are selling at, we are marking 60% above. So 1500. 60% means 3 by 5. Above means 8 by 5. That will give 2400 again. Now mark price of C for suit. Suit C 3000. 3000. 80% above. So 80% means 4 by 5. 80% above means 9 by 5. That will give 5400. So this is the mark price of A. This is the mark price of B for jeans. This is mark price of B, mark price of C for suit. Now, Suman purchased 3 jeans of brand A, 3 jeans of brand A, 2 jeans of brand B, and 3 suits of brand B, and 4 suits of brand C. Now, the shopkeeper selling price is Suman's cost price. Now, while selling the shopkeeper the jeans, he is giving how much discount? 25% discount. He is giving 25% discount. So for A, what is the mark price? 2400. Giving 25% discount means C. Selling price of the shopkeeper is nothing but cost price of Suman. So 2400 into 3 by 4. That will give 1800. Now selling price of B, that is nothing but 1740 into 3 by 4. Do the calculation. 4 4 16, then 4 3s 12, 4 5s 435 into 3, that will give 1305. 1305. Now similarly, selling price of B for suit. For suit. Now for suit, how much discount? 30%. So 2400, 30% discount. So 2400 into 7 by 10. That is 0, 28, 1680. 1680. Now selling price of C for suit, that is 5400 into same into 7 by 10. Now 540 into 7, 0, 28, 3780. This is nothing but cost price of Suman. Shopkeeper selling price is cost price of Suman. Now what Suman is doing, he is marking. Suman purchased 3 jeans of brand A, 2 jeans of brand B, 4, and marked the jeans at 20% and 25%. Now he is marking the jeans at 20% and 25% and giving 15% discount on each item. Now you have to take the selling price of Suman. Now you should take selling price of Suman. Selling price of A for Suman. Now this is the selling price of Suman. Selling price of Suman for A. Here 1800. Actually he is buying for 1800. Now what he is doing? He is marking up 20% above. See, this is 20% above. 20% above means 6 by 5. He is giving 15% discount. 15% discount means 17 by 20. This is 118 times. 18 into 6, 108. 108 into 17. 17 8s, 136. So it will be 1836. Now first we are taking jeans. Next for B, it is 1305. Selling price of B, it is 1305. He is giving again 20% marking up 20% above into 6 by 5 again into 17 by 20. Let us do the calculation. See, we can directly do 1305 into 102. 1305 into 102. So if you do the calculation, 2 5s 10, 1 6 0, again 0, 1 5 0 3 1. So 0 1 11 3 3 1. You got 1331.10 because 5 to 20 100. So 1331.1. This is equal to 1331.1. Now we have to take the selling price of B. Now for suit. So actually it is 1680. We are marking up 25% above. See this one, we are marking the suit at 25%. Suman is marking 25% above. So into 5 by 4, giving 15% discount into 17 by 20. Now if you do the calculation, 0 0 cancel, it is 21 into 5, 105, 105 into 17. So it is 1785. Now let us take the selling price of C. Selling price of C. It is actually 3780. 3780. We are marking up 20% above, 25% above, 5 by 4. We are giving 15% discount. Now 0 0 cancel. Let us do this calculation. With 4 I am going to do. With 4, not 4, with the 2 we will do. 2 18s, 2 89. 189 into 5 into 17. 189 into 5 into 17. That is 189 into 85. 189 into 85. 5 9s 45. It is 945. 8 9 72, 71. This is 15, 12, 5, 6. So we got 16065 divided by 4. This one we are not cancelling. Divided by 4. That will give 440, 160 one time. 4016.25. 4016.25. So this is the value. 4016.25. 4016.25. Now what is our question? Suman is purchasing 3 jeans of brand A. How many jeans? 3 jeans of brand A. So 3 jeans of brand A. What is the profit? What is the selling price? So what is the selling price of one jeans? 1836. 1836 is one jeans. 3 jeans means 1836 into 3. If you do the multiplication, 18, then 10, it is 5508. Then 2 genes of brand B. See this one, 2 genes of brand B. So 2 genes of brand B means 1331 into 2. It is 1331.1 into 2, that is 2662.2. Then again 3 genes, 3 suits of brand B. How many suits? 3 suits. One suit selling price 1785. One suit selling price 1785. 3 suits means 1785 into 3. Let us do the multiplication. 3 5 15, 25, then 3 5. It is 5355. Next, 4 suits of brand C. Brand C 4016.25. We are selling 4 suits. 4016.25 into 4. So that will give 4016 into 4, 64, 0, 16064, 0.25 into 4, 1. That is 16065. So total 2, then 5 plus 5, 10, 12, 20, 8, 13, 19, 4, 10, 15, then 7, 12, 14, 19, 29590.2. 29590.2. This is the total selling price. Total selling price. What is the question? How much profit percent? Profit percent means you have to take cost price also. You have to take the cost price. What is the total cost price? What is the total cost price of Suman? What is the total cost price of Suman? That one you need to do. What is the total cost price of Suman? See, Suman cost price is this one. 1 jeans 1800. He is buying 3 jeans. Now 3 jeans, no. It will be 5400. 5400. 3 jeans. Now 2 jeans of brand B. 1305 into 2. 1305 into 2 is 2610. Now coming to suit. This is suit. So one suit 1680. He is buying 3 suits. One suit 1680, 3 suits. 1680 into 3. 1680 into 3. If you do the calculation, that is 5040. 5040. Then he is buying one suit of brand C for 3780, like that 4 suits. So 3780 into 4, 0, 32, 31, then we are going to get 15. So 15,120. If you do the calculation, 0, 7, then 11, 6, 11, 13, 18, 28,170. 28,170. Now if you see this question, our total cost price is 28,170. Total selling price 29,590.2. So what is the profit he is getting? The difference of 29,590.2 and 28,170, we will get 1420.2. 1420.2. So always profit percent is calculated against the cost price. What is the cost price? 28,170 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. Divide 14,202. 14,202 with 2817. See here 28 and 140. Let us do with 5. Let us do with 5. We can do with 5. So how much we are going to get? So 2817 into 5, 35, 8, 40, 14085. We will get 14085. 14085. 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 8, 1, then 1, keep the point, it will not go 0, then 11,700. So it will go 4 times. So approximately we will get 5.04 as the correct answer. 5.04, which is option 1. Option 1 is the correct answer, 5.04. Now let us see the next question. The shopkeeper marked the jeans, marked up the dress of brand A and brand C at 50% and 60% above the cost price, and he gave 10% extra discount on A and 15% extra discount on C to his relatives. If his relative purchased 2 dresses of brand C and 3 dresses of brand A, what is his overall profit percent? Now, the shopkeeper marked up the brand A dress, this is dress. So, what is the mark price for A? Mark price, what is the mark price, what is the cost price? First of all, A cost price for dress, it is 800, it is 800. While marking up is marking 50% above, 50% above means 800 into 3 by 2, that will give 1200, 1200. Now, while selling, he is giving extra discount, he is giving extra discount. So, actually 1200, dress discount already 15% is there. So, that will give 17 by 20, 17 by 20. Now, in addition to that, he is giving 10% extra. So, 9 by 10. So, this is 20 into 10, 200, 6 times. 17 into 6, 102. 102 into 9, that is 918. So, selling price we will get 918, 918. Now, this is about A. Similarly, for C. For dress, what is the dress cost? It is 2000. 2000. We are marking 60% above, 2000 into 8 by 5, that will give 3200. Now, while selling, actually dress discount is 15%. So, 3200 into 17 by 20. Now, along with that 15% additional discount for C, we are giving 15%, again 17 by 20. If you do the calculation, this is 400, 8 times. 17 square, 289, 289 into 8, 8 9 72, 71, 8 2 16, 23. It is 2312, 2312. Now, what is the profit or loss? This is 800 cost price, selling price 918, profit is 118. 2000, 2312, 312. Now, what is the discount by if his relative is purchasing 2 dress of brand C? 1 dress 312, 2 dress means 624, 3 dress of brand A, 1 dress 118, 3 dress profit is 354. What is the overall profit? Overall profit we are getting 978. Overall profit percent means overall cost price. What is the overall cost price? See, 2000 one shirt, 2000 one shirt, we are buying 2 shirts, it will be 4000. Then this is 800, we are buying 3, it is 2400, total 6400 into 100. So, 0000 cancel. Now, divide 978 with 64. Let us do 64 164, we will get 338. Now 5 times 320, then 18, then 2 times 128. Now 7 minus 2 5. Now again 8 times. So approximately we are getting 15.28. 15.28 is the correct answer. Now let us see the last one for today. The shopkeeper marked up the price of the jeans 60% above the cost price and give 1 jeans free for every 4 jeans of brand C if the customer is buying 4 jeans of brand C, then what is the overall profit or loss? Now we are talking about jeans. So jeans cost price for C, for jeans we are talking about jeans cost price, mark price, now selling price. Now C jeans cost price, it is 900, it is 900. We are marking up 60% above, so 900 into 8 by 5, that will give 144, 1440, 1440. Now while selling we are giving 1 jeans free for every 4 jeans. That means what is the selling price? 1440 into 3 by 4, because we are selling 4 jeans but we are charging only for 3 jeans, we are giving 1 free. So you have to take into 3 by 4. See, 4 3 is 12, 4 6, it is 1080. This is the cost price, this is the mark price, this is the selling price. Now what is the question? If the customer is purchasing 4 jeans, what is the profit? 900 is the cost price, 1080 is the this one selling price. So we are getting total profit 180. Total profit 180. Customer is buying how many jeans? 4 jeans. Customer is buying 4 jeans. 180 is the profit. 180 is the profit. Now 900, but so for every 4 jeans he is giving 1 jeans free. So we should take 5 jeans cost price. 900 into 5. 900 into 5. Why? Because for every 4 jeans he is getting 1 jeans. So what is the cost price? 4500. Now what is the selling price? We are paying only for 4 jeans. 1080 into 4, that is 4320. So cost price is 4500, selling price 4320. We are getting a loss. We are getting definitely loss. 180. 180 by 4500 into 100. So 41 5s, 41 4s. So overall we are getting 4%, and that is a loss. 4% loss means option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. See, from our institute, Sri Guru Raghavendra Bank Coaching Center, it is established in 1989. From 1989 to 8th June, our total selections are 41,502, and our organization got 6,739 selections in regional rural banks. Right now there is RRB PO and clerical recruitment. So last date is June 27th. So those who are eligible, you try to apply for that recruitment and you try to give the exam. Then see, our admission fees is 15,300. It is inclusive of GST and it is a lifetime membership. So once if you pay the fees, we will give coaching until you get the job. Hostel fees in our hostel is 3,200 per month, and admissions are in progress. You can contact any of these numbers if you want to have the admission in our coaching center, and this is my WhatsApp number. You can reach me at any time, 9985409543. So this is our daily timetable. From 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. daily we will be having basic English grammar class. 7:45 to 9:30 English daily exam paper explanation. 10:30 to 12:30 offline is there. 2:45 to 4 p.m. basic quant will be there. 4:15 to 5:15 SSC Max. 4:15 to 5:15 prelims paper. Those who are attending the bank exams, for them prelims paper will be there, explanation. 5:30 to 6:45 daily basic reasoning class will be there along with the paper explanation. 7 to 8:30 we will be having mains level classes, and this is round the year. See, we are having mains classes round the year. So those who want to equip in the mains, our institute is the best one. And every Saturday and Sunday we are conducting the GK classes, static GK and current affairs, and banking awareness classes also will be there every Saturday and Sunday. So these are our phone numbers. If you want to join our coaching center, please contact this number. This is chairman sir number, 7702726669. This is my number. I am also working as a faculty here, 9985409543. So here you can contact me, or you can do the WhatsApp also, so that I will send all the details. and these are the office numbers. So you can go through the website and also our Insta account, and you may take the decision. Okay, thank you.